What's the meaning of classified ads? Classified ads. Classified ads.
Classified ads. Classified ads. Classified ads refer to advertisements that are typically placed in print or online publications and are organized by categories such as jobs, housing, services, and for sale items. These ads usually contain limited information and are short and to the point. They are commonly used by individuals and businesses alike to advertise goods and services to a targeted audience. The main purpose of classified ads is to attract potential buyers or customers through concise and specific descriptions, while also filtering out those who may not be interested in the product or service being offered.